So I did a little grocery haul, and I have some tropical fruit and also a fruit salad blend from Walmart, 3 pounds each. A couple of boxes of beefy onion Lipton soup mix, as well as the onion mushroom version. 4 bags of peas and carrots, 2 green bell peppers, 2 cucumbers, 1 bag of crispy rounds and steak cut fries, a bag of apples, and a spring mix salad, shredded carrots, that 15 bean soup, a bag of spinach, a red onion, the yellow and red bell peppers, some celery, 1 cabbage, a box of brown rice, some Ziploc bags, and some twist and seal take-along containers. 2 packs of those. Well, that's all for the shopping. Let's get to cooking.
To see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there. But I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just want to let you know that I'm still.
This cabbage right here, well, it was homegrown in my mama's 5-gallon container.
See how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't let go of me. Drawing close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your own. Don't let go. Keep holding on.
In this video, we are prepping our meals for the Daniel fast. What is the Daniel fast, you ask? The Daniel fast is the 21-day Christian spiritual fast based on the prophet Daniel's biblical account. We are abstaining from meat, dairy, sugar, caffeine, processed food, and we're focusing on foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. Well, it's not just depriving ourselves of certain foods. The aim is to become spiritually stronger. That's right, focusing our time in prayer, meditation, and Bible study. Although the Daniel fast is not considered a diet, sometimes you will lose a little weight. And that right there, well, losing weight, that's a bonus. So Mom and I love making the cabbage soup. Of course, the full recipe is in my cooking playlist. I made it last year. You all loved it. And if you missed it, go to my cooking playlist for the full directions and ingredients. I'm also making brown rice. And of course, you just follow the directions on the box.
Can trust my plans. Seek my face while I hold your hand. Unchanging faith. Can trust my plan. I'm still. Don't let go of me. Drawing close. Out desperately. When you need.
I find one of the best ways to stay consistent on the Daniel fast is to prep as many meals as possible. That way, if you need something to eat, you're not grabbing the wrong thing. You're simply pulling out something that's on the fast that's already prepared. It's also important to focus on portion controls. Remember, we're becoming stronger mentally, physically, and spiritually. So self-control is a must. Now, next I'm going to make a garden salad, and maybe in the next video I'll show you my homemade salad dressing. So if this is your first time here or your first time here this year, let me say Happy New Year to you and welcome to 2026. This is my lifestyle channel and I love sharing so many things with you as seen at the beginning of the video. So if you're new, you know what I need you to do. Come on and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. And to all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below.
Mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever.
And just like that, our meals are prepped for the week. The frozen fruit, well, those are for morning smoothies. Yeah, morning smoothies. Thank you so much for joining me today for this Daniel Fast 2026 meal prep. And guess what? You can join me. You can start today. Let's grow together in 2026. Spiritually, physically, and financially. Well, until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Oh yeah, make sure, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment before you go.